Good morning everyone, this is Poonam Darade from Fundamental Desk. I'll take you through the markets today. Asian markets are trading mixed, tracking cues from Wall Street overnight on the back of strong US inflation data that led investors to believe that Fed reserves may resort to interest rate hike in June. Indian indices are expected to open marginally lower and focus will be on the domestic quarterly earnings and global development. The US markets were also lower as investors remained cautious after comments from the Federal Reserve, which stated that they will be going for an interest rate hike in June or July. The Dow Jones lost 181 points or 1.02% to close at 17,530, while Nasdaq lost 60 points to close at around 4,716. Nikkei is trading higher by 0.61%, while Hang Seng is trading lower by 1.10%. SGX Nifty is trading lower by 0.37%. On the results front, Mahindra Holidays and Resorts India has come out with the good results. The total income grew 25% year on year, which was in line with our expectation, which was majorly led by 9% year on year increase in membership addition. Income from sale of vacation ownership grew 22% year on year, reflecting benefits from the ongoing initiatives of the management result in improving product mix. Revenue growth from other annuity income continued traction, with resort income growing at 54% year on year and ASF revenue growing at 17% year on year. Revenue growth for FY16 was 17% year on year, excluding revenues from holiday homes, with EBITDA growth of over 35% year on year. Income from vacation ownership sales grew by a healthy 21% year on year, while resort revenue grew robust 30% year on year. Revenue growth was led by net membership addition of over 16,000, with member to room ratio being broadly stable at 67. Occupancy rate remained at around 80%. Company maintained its dividend payout at around 40%, with dividend of Rs 5 per share. Management also indicated that Mahindra Holidays Limited is on track to add over 500 rooms in calibration with new member addition over next 2 years. Finnish subsidiary Holiday Club, which was acquired in September 15, has turned profitable and has also declared dividend. We continue to believe in Mahindra Holidays and Resort Limited's exceptional business model, with both capex and opex being funded by the members. With a member to room ratio being 67 for FY16, we believe the company is well poised to generate steady free cash flow. So we maintain a buy on Mahindra Holidays and Resorts India with the DCF target price of around 569. Thank you.